In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you maintain journals in a spreadsheet or are migrating from another system, importing can save time and reduce manual entry errors. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct company in a modern web browser and that you have permission to import data. It also helps to have your chart of accounts set up and finalized, since your import will reference those exact account names or numbers. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. Take a second to confirm you're in the right company file, especially if you manage more than one company. This prevents journals from landing in the wrong place and keeps your audit trail clean. Next, go to the Settings menu. You'll find the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the hub for many administrative tasks in QuickBooks Online. If you don't see what we're about to use, your role might not allow imports, so you may need an admin to grant access or perform the import for you. From the Settings menu, choose Import Data. This takes you to the Import Center where QuickBooks gathers all importable list types and transactions. If the option doesn't appear, check your subscription level and user permissions, or refresh the page and try again. On the Import page, look for the drop-down and select Journal Entries, then click Import. That selection tells QuickBooks you're bringing in journals rather than other data types. From here, QuickBooks will guide you through the on-screen prompts. Have your file ready, typically a CSV or Excel file, with clear columns like date, account, debit, credit, and memo. Make sure debits equal credits for each journal entry, and that account names or numbers exactly match your chart of accounts. Consistent date formatting, no blank rows, and plain numbers without symbols will help the import run smoothly. If you use classes or locations, include them in separate columns and ensure they match what exists in your company. For multi-currency companies, verify the currency aligns with the company and accounts you're using. During the preview, scan for red flags such as unmapped columns, missing accounts, or unbalanced lines. If something looks off, cancel and fix the file before proceeding. Keeping a backup copy of your original file and importing a small test batch first is a smart safeguard. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings gear, choose Import Data, select Journal Entries, and start the import. Follow the prompts, review carefully, and you'll have your journals in place in minutes.